Vande Ramadutam. Bhagavan Sri Ramaduta Swamiji, who is considered to be an incarnation of Lord Dattatreya's station during the Kali Yuga, has been taking care of devotees and the entire mankind. For that matter, who have been following and practicing the 5 principles proposed by him, namely charity, dutifulness, non-violence, truthfulness, and spiritual penance, which are easily understood by even a common man, not only protecting them but also making his devotees to be successful in all their endeavors. An opportunity is knocking at our doorstep that Bhagavan Sri Ramaduta Swami is going to be amidst us and will be showering his benedictions. Let us avail this opportunity by presenting ourselves with full of devotion and get liberated from all ordeals, thereby leading blissful life. We are fortunate to receive the divine power, the Bhagavad Shakti, by participating in the auspicious event Sri Venu Dattatreya Swami Abhayamala Viramana, Sri Suvarna Lakshmi Vrata Diksha, and Sri Ashtalakshmi Siddhivrata Diksha Vaibhavam on Sunday, the 5th May, at Sri Ramaduta Swami Ashram, Venugopal Nagar, Chevur, Gudlur Mandalam, Prakasam District, AP. All are welcome. Vande Ramadutam.